here I am learning about, with, you know, my First Friday folks here, of how to take out glazing from a window using a heat gun. All right, something I've never done because I've always been sketchy that I break the glass. All right, so what I've learned online is that you can make a heat shield like I did here. Took a piece of cardboard and I took some aluminum foil and created a heat shield. All right, and now I'm going to see what happens. All right, I have no idea how this is going to work. So
break that
glass. I think that you're supposed to be able to put it on the glass like that, okay? Hit it with a heat gun, heat up that glazing, and then, thanks Karen, hit it with a heat gun, and then take a flat bar. Let me get my flat bar ready too. Yeah, that works. Thanks. All right, so here we go. All right, I really don't know what's gonna happen. It did soften it up a little, but it's not soft enough. Okay, well, okay. So far, not so good. I don't like it. Oh, catching on fire.
Oh
no. Catching on fire, everybody. Oh, but the glazing's coming out.
Just gotta light it on fire.
Just gotta light it on fire.
Easy.
That's all. All right. Okay. See, I think so far what I've shown you guys is so much better than what we've done so far. Okay. It's smoking. Oh, it's coming off a little. I don't like it.
I think the other way is a lot more efficient.
I think the other way is too. So I'm gonna stick with my other way, but I'm gonna keep my promise to Evan. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
How long does it take for it to actually break? It's been about 5 seconds. There it goes. Boom. Oh man. I jumped.
Yeah, you did jump.
All right.
So,
How long did it take for it to break?
What, maybe 10, 15 seconds?
10 seconds. Not very long.
Oh man, that was so exciting.
That was exciting.
You know what? Keep the camera rolling. Okay.
I've been waiting for that all week.
Okay. Keep it rolling because the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to show everybody the steam box.
Ooh, okay.
The steam box method is, I think, probably.
Jim said 911.
Yeah, 911. The steam box method is very good too. Oh, that's coming off pretty good right there. See if I got everything I need. I'm like, come on in. I've got a Sash cooking in here right now. It's been cooking for probably half an hour, 45 minutes. Okay. I've got some gloves here. I'm gonna take it out and I'll set it right on the table and I'm gonna go to work. Okay. Immediately go to work. Okay. So, just giving you guys different ideas. Okay, on how to get this kind of work done. Okay. Glasses bobbed up. Okay. That sash is really, really hot right now. But let's see what I think. I think this is going to work pretty good. Watch.
That is the way to do it.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
It smells like an old house, right?
It's not burning.
It's not on fire.
Right. And the other advantage doing it this way is look, that's somewhat new caulk. Maybe even it's caulking. Is that the dust is down too.
How long
Right.
did you leave that in there?
30, 45 minutes maybe. You know. That's caulking. There we go. So I'm gonna
Even that came out pretty well.
see that there. You can get the plans online
Make
for
one.
one of these at oldwindowrestorer.com. You know, it probably cost about $300 in materials to make. You know, but
And $100 of that's the steamer unit, right?
no, 250 or 300.
Oh, 250 was the steamer unit?
Yeah. There is one downside to this, and that is that the sash does have to cool, it does have to dry before you can do any other really additional work to it. But you know, if you know what I've been doing in this case is I'll get all of this, all of these panes of glass loose. And then I'll then put them back in, you know, and actually put it back in the window. The glass will be rattly, but you know it'll still be in. Now you can go through, as a sash drying, you can go through and clean off all this stuff. You know, continue your work.
How long before it like totally dries?
You know what? Mark, how long were we waiting?
We were putting them in the sun and maybe an hour. But that's when we got around to it.
Yeah, I used to have a square to it, but it never really worked too good until I got around to it.
Never heard that one before.
Windows.
What's that?
Windows are really nice.
Oh, thanks. Those are going out in Miami. You can come back in here, and you know, now that this is all done, you can put your glass back in. You know. Oh, it doesn't go there, does it? Oh, that's because it went in the top. I think it did. There. That one goes probably in there. And you know, I got more work to do on it to get everything like it's supposed to be. But
Why would you put them back in?
what's that?
Why do you put them back in before it's dry?
I gotta put them somewhere.
Oh, okay.
You know, I mean,
best place to hold it.
realistically, I mean, now if I was going to continue with this sash, what I might do, I've got like, this is one of our dedicated bins. You know, we can fill this with soapy water and start letting our panes of glass soak in it, and we can clean them that way. You know, you got all this crud along the edges. You know, you want to get all that kind of stuff off. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just putting it back in here now because it's safe. It's a safe place.
The steam box hit the built up paint,
I don't like it.
not so much.
I don't like it. I mean, it works okay. And look, I mean,
But you want to keep going with the sash.
yeah, see what I would do, like in a production mindset, I'll have the next set in there, you know, and then I'll start to rotate. This will go, you know, I'll get this to a certain point, you know, and it'll take some of the paint off. I'll get it to a certain point, and I'll put it back in the hole, I guess. Or if you know, if I'm here, I'll set it to the side or something. This actually works pretty good. I mean, it depends sometimes. But the problem is to see how it starts to dig into the sash right there.
Yeah.
You know, that's always kind of risky when it's wet. So
maybe it's better to scrape it before you put it in the steam.
that's what we started doing, right, Mark?
Yeah, run the paint shaver on first.
Ah, the paint shaver.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Yeah. We're not done yet. Okay, so let's leave this guy here, all right? And I will introduce to you guys another pro level tool. This is my paint shaver, guys. This tool is a beast. Okay. This works like freaking crazy. So we hit the vacuum cleaner for me. This thing actually costs about $800. It's so stupid, but they got the market cornered, you know, on the patent. So if you want it, you gotta pay the money. But that's right. Then you can take something like this. That's real easy. See how that works? Isn't that cool? Same thing here, I'll do it again. That so you can see like the vibrating action of it, you know, and how it works to help get some of that glazing out. So like I'll take some of my tools again, and I can't get some of this glazing out. I mean, you don't see the beauty of doing it like this and not using the steam oven is that you can finish everything right away without waiting.
You would think that wouldn't, that doesn't require any sand or anything. Well, maybe you have to replace that metal thing sometimes.
It's got carbide teeth with it, but the honest truth is that I've had extra carbide teeth for that thing for over 10 years and haven't needed to use it.
Wow.
And you hook it up to the vacuum.
Yeah.
I'm looking it up right now.
9554 NB.
Well,
It's probably a newer
it's a newer model. I've had that one for like well over 10 years. You know.
It's more ergonomic.
Okay. See, look.
Yeah.
I still got the glass out. See. You know, it just takes it's a little bit different approach to getting the glass out. And I can go ahead and clean that. I can start to sand and scrape. I can finish this sash today, and I can get it back in. You know, that's if I don't use a steamer. So sometimes a steamer has an advantage. Like if you're doing like 20 sashes, you know, you can definitely get ahead using the 20 sash, doing 20 sashes in the steamer because, you know, you work
got
on
an assembly line.
Yeah, you got the assembly line going. But like, if I've only got one, it might not be worth it to bust out the steamer.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? You know, because I can go through here and I can get, you know, I can get my glass out here, okay? And once I get my glass out, then let's see, I can start to heat gun the profiles. And I'm catching on something here.
Right there.
Making me nervous. Yeah, you see? Put the glass out. See that?